Hi guys, I am Arushi Jain. Welcome to Indian Express Entertainment. Today we will have actor Karan Kundra with us. Hope all of you are doing great and having a good weekend, and we will soon have Karan Kundra joining us. For those who are very excited for his upcoming show Dil Hi To Hai, let me tell you the new season of the show will be live on Old Balaji from 19th of September. And for those who are not aware about the show, let me tell you a bit about it. So Dil Hi To Hai is a romantic comedy, is a romantic drama where Karan plays rich spoiled brat Ritwik Noon, who falls in love with a very simple girl, Palak. They meet, they fall apart, they meet again, and they have a lot of ups and downs in their love story. So soon we will have Karan with us, who will join with us and who will tell us more about the show, how he planned, how he shot for the show. Oh yes, I have Karan here. Let me join him in the video and let us hear from him. Shot for the show during the lockdown, how he managed to shoot it after the lockdown was over. Hi Karan, how are you?
Hi Arushi, how are you? It's good to see you.
Same here, same here. It's lovely to have you with us.
Thank you so much for having me.
I heard you were shooting today, which is why our live is scheduled now.
Yes,
So
I'm so sorry, but today actually the day was already booked for me, so I had to. It was a very last minute thing. Otherwise, I would have come earlier. But
okay,
I'm thankfully I packed up on time as well. So.
lovely. So what were you shooting on? Like where were you caught up?
There's a lot of stuff that I'm working on. So I think वो धीरे धीरे जैसे आएगा तब it's much better for them. Everybody has a proper PR plan, so let them do it.
All right, sure. Let's leave it for some other day then.
Sure.
Okay, so you are coming with the upcoming episodes of Dil Hi To Hai season 3. So I want to know more about it. Like, what is it and what can the audience expect from it?
So basically, this is the season 3, and we've already uploaded, the first 2 batches of 10 episodes each. So 20 episodes are already on air. और हम शूट कर रहे थे थर्ड बैच के लिए और फिर जो है वो लॉकडाउन हो गया एंड जो हमने फिर अभी उसको रिसेंटली जब शूट्स अलाउड हुई तो हम लोगों ने वी रिज्यूम्ड शूटिंग एंड दिस इज द नेक्स्ट बैच ऑफ 10 एपिसोड्स द लास्ट बैच ऑफ सीजन 3 सो एक्चुअली जिस पॉइंट पे 20 एपिसोड्स खत्म हुए थे वो काफी हैंग हमने अपने ऑडियंसेस को काफी हैंग कर दिया था जानबूझ के नहीं बट हो गया था एंड आई थिंक वो जिस पार्ट पे है स्टोरी वो काफी एक्साइटिंग है एंड काफी पीपल आर वेरी वेरी क्यूरियस आई थिंक पहले 2 सीजन्स जो हमारे हो चुके हैं उससे ज्यादा हमें अभी रिस्पांस मिला एवरीबॉडी वांटेड द एपिसोड्स टू कम एंड बट ऑफ कोर्स वी वर नॉट अलाउड टू शूट बट जैसे ही हमें अलाउ हुआ मैं वापस आया और हमने शूट शुरू कर दी.
Lovely. So Karan, when you started the show in 2018, I suppose.
That's
so
correct.
then did you expect that it will go on for so long and there will be 3 seasons of the show?
Actually, to be honest, I do not think that हम लोगों ने उस वक्त पे इतना कुछ सोचा था because the first season was actually simultaneously telecast on Sony Entertainment Television and Alt Balaji. और जो है पहला सीजन जो है वो सोनी पे आफ्टर couple of episodes like I think 93 or 94 episodes के बाद वो सीजन खत्म हुआ था बट on Alt Balaji also they the team एकता मैम सबने डिसाइड किया कि इसको हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे Alt पे और it became a much bigger show once the second season got over and then we took a break. I was also shooting for It Happened in Calcutta और तो फिर हम लोगों ने ब्रेक लिया and then we started season 3 and it's back. There's beautiful music with the new season. So मुझे नहीं किसी को भी I think इतनी उम्मीद I don't think थी शो शुरू करने से पहले but I think it's a really cool show. It's a very light show. It's not a very heavy duty drama show. It's a very feel good show. और वो चीज जो है वो ऑडियंसेस के साथ क्लिक हुई है आई थिंक एंड इट्स बिकम आफ्टर कितनी मोहब्बत है इट्स बिकम one of my most popular shows. So touch wood, and thanks. और आपको शायद नहीं पता कि I was the last person to get on board.
Oh,
I think
lovely.
जिस दिन प्रोमो था, प्रोमो का शूट था, यहाँ से कुछ 2 घंटे दूर, उसी शाम को फाइनल मीटिंग हुई थी एंड आई गॉट ऑन बोर्ड.
Okay.
ये काफी या एंड आई उस टाइम पे मुझे लग रहा था यार आई हैडंट डन डेली सोप्स फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. आई वाज बिजी विद एमटीवी एंड मैं अपनी फिल्म्स पे बिजी था. 1921 अभी अभी रिलीज हुई थी, तो मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा था वापस डेली सोप के उस शेड्यूल में जाने के लिए, क्योंकि आपको मालूम है कि 2-2 3-3 दिन आप कंटिन्यूस शूट करते हो, टाइम नहीं मिलता है, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ लव स्टोरी. ये एक नॉर्मल घर घर की टाइप डेली सोप होता तो आप जल्दी शूट करके आप जा सकते हो. नॉट ऑन अ लव स्टोरी. लव स्टोरी टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. So I was a little scared of the routine, and plus the set of the show was very far. Naigaon में है, and मैं काफी डरा हुआ था. But then I think once the show went on air, and then everybody settled in, and the cast and crew, my God, my parents, my family on the show. We've become like a real family. In fact, yesterday I spoke to my, the actor who plays my dad, Vijay sir. And we're very close knit, and a lot of us actually come back on every season because हम लोगों को एक दूसरे के साथ काम करना होता है, शूट करना होता है. तो वो जो केमिस्ट्रीज हैं, वो जो फ्रेंडशिप है, वो जो एक माहौल है फैमिली वाला, वो स्क्रीन पे it somehow reflects onto the screen, and I think that's what makes it a very special show. It's a very feel good show.
That was my next question, that it has been 3 seasons. So what brings you back again and again to do the same show and take forward the story?
I
Where
think,
does that inspiration comes?
to be very honest, it's the way the show has been written. It's the way the show has been directed. It's the way the show has been edited, and I would like to give the credit to everybody from the top, from Ekta ma'am, who looks over the show, to the creatives, to everybody who's on that show, from the producers to the director, to everybody. I think apart from the chemistries, it's आपको जब ये शो आप देखोगे, आपको वो हेवी ड्यूटीनेस नहीं दिखेगा. there's not too much drama, there's not too much. It's a very simple show.
और बहुत सारी
it's a simple story. हाँ, मतलब वही, मतलब बहुत सारा उसमें there's obviously there are ups and downs, and बहुत गालियाँ भी पड़ती हैं हमें ट्विटर पे और यहाँ वहाँ. But that's the fun of the show, because a lot of people love the show. And for me, I think Dilli Toya is very close to our hearts, everybody's hearts. And when that kind of energy comes into a show, no matter what projects you're doing, I remember there was a time when I was shooting for It Happened in Calcutta, which is a very serious show, which takes a lot, a lot of energy, mentally and physically. उसके बीच में I had to start shooting for दिल्ली तो है, but I was very excited. मैं एकदम ऐसे नहीं था कि वो हो एक महीना रुक जाओ यार, अभी मतलब ये कर रहा हूँ. I was like, yeah, let's do it. It's more like a recreation for me and for everybody, I think, on set.
Lovely. Also, Karan, so the shoot of season 3, the remaining episodes started, I think you shot for it after the lockdown restrictions were eased down.
Yes,
and
we finished the show when the lockdown restrictions were. So we had done about 60% of the show. While I think March 18th was the last day. कुछ जो भी मेरे को exactly remember, I can't remember, but I remember shooting for दिल्ली तो है, and बस उस वहीं पे रुक गए थे हम because lockdown हो गया था. And I think Balaji was the one of the first production houses to stop shoot because it was a big responsibility. So उसके बाद फिर हमने जब ये SOPs आ गए थे, and shoots were I was in the US with my parents, with my family. तो फिर मुझे उस टाइम पे उन्होंने बोला कि अब आप आ सकते हैं वापस. And फिर मुझे 15 दिन क्वारंटीन भी करना पड़ा. पहले 7 दिन मुझे I had to be in a hotel for 7 days. But I think ऐसा लगा नहीं कि बीच में 5 महीने का या 4 महीने का गैप आया था. एक सीन करते करते हमने छोड़ दिया था और वहीं से उसको शुरू किया. ऐसे लगा ही नहीं कि there's been a gap. हाँ, मतलब मोटे हो गए थे.
I think वो लॉकडाउन में सब हो गए.
हाँ, सब हो गए except for योगिता, जो कि वो और पतली हो गई है, वो और सुंदर हो गई है, पता नहीं वो कैसे की है. और राजेश्वरी मैम, राजेश्वरी मैम भी एकदम सुंदर होके आई है. और बाकी लड़के जो है हमारे शो में सब फैल फाल के आए हैं. और लड़कियां सुंदर होगी, पता नहीं कैसे कौन से घी खाए इन्होंने, मुझे नहीं समझ आता।
आई थिंक नहीं खाए हैं इसीलिए सुंदर हो गया है।
हाँ पता नहीं, मतलब मेरी आई वाज विद माय मम, सो यू नो हाउ मम्स आर, सो यू नो, एंड आई थिंक आई मेट देम आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग व्हाइल, एंड यू नो मेरी मॉम, आई थिंक सबकी मॉम्स ऐसी होती हैं कि यू नो उनका सोल पर्पस होता है कि मेरा बेटा या मेरी बेटी आ गई, अब इनको खिलाओ। So,
डेफिनेटली।
and you know my sister's also there, and you know she's मतलब I had a blast, so but वो blast मेरे जो है वो cheeks पे नजर आ रहा था।
Not a problem for your fans, definitely they are definitely waiting for season 4 already.
नहीं, बहुत
they
बेइज्जती करते हैं, बहुत बेइज्जती करते हैं वो ट्विटर में जा जाके ना, पुरानी फोटो नई फोटो लगा के, और यू नो बहुत बेइज्जती करते हैं। मेरे फैंस बड़े क्यूट है, यू नो थोड़े से बदमाश टाइप के भी हैं। आज इनफैक्ट दो उनमें से दो का बर्थडे भी है। You know,
Okay.
one's I can't tell you their names, but one of them is Ritz something, and one of them is KMH something. And you know these guys, you know they're like my extended family, and they've been there for the most period of my career, and वो तो मतलब बजा देते हैं यार। आप बोल देते हैं मतलब you know कि मोटे हुए हो, बाल काट लो, अरे नहीं काट सकता भाई, कंटिन्यूटी में हूँ। So you know, so I think touch wood, I have the best you know people who follow me.
Great. So, Karan, were you apprehensive about being on the sets again, considering that the number of coronavirus cases are rising every day? So, in this case, you have those apprehensions in your mind that will it be safe to go back on the set? Will it be safe to have so many people around me? Because see, the show
I
is
see. At the end
ensemble
of the
cast.
day,
Yeah.
Arushi, it was a big decision for me because I was in the United States, very safe with my family, and I was the one who had to take two big flights to come
Right.
back to Mumbai and you know stay. But I guess you know apprehensions. Obviously, we all had, but you know the bosses at Balaji, you know from the production side, and I've worked with them my entire career. Yeah. I mean, मैं
Right.
बॉम्बे आया ही एकता मैम की वजह से हूँ. So they're like my, you know, they're like they take care of me in a lot of ways. You know, ऐसे नहीं, वो एक तरह से वो बड़े ब्रदर वाला वो भी होता है उनका. They actually just they don't. It's not just कि अभी ये शो हो गया, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट खत्म हो गया तो जाओ. वो उनका मतलब मुझे वैसे भी मैसेज आता है कि how are you doing bro, ठीक है सब कुछ. You know, because they've seen me, you know, they've brought me from Punjab, and now they've seen me grow, and you know they're happy. So you know all these apprehensions were there, and they were with me throughout. And but you know at the end of the day, every precaution that was possible was taken. Tests
Okay.
were done. You know, sanitization was done before we entered the set. Our pulse ox were taken. Our
Okay.
temperatures were measured. Everybody, not just the actors or you know the crew members. Everybody. And एक भी इंसान एक्स्ट्रा जिसकी जरूरत नहीं है वो सेट पे अलाउड नहीं था. It was scary. We were a little scared for the for the elders, but I think more. I might sound a little irresponsible, but we were all dying to get back on set. We were all dying to see each other. We were all dying, and you know पहले दिन हमने सोचा था कि दूर दूर से मिलेंगे वो, you know वो मतलब but you know how it is. You know you have to hug, you have to sort of do something. But yes, I think it's like going back to your family. Yeah. You know, it's like that. So yes, it was quite risky. But I guess if the right precautions are taken, then, and thankfully हमारा जो whatever 16-17 days in a total of 20 days that we spent on set, everybody came back safe and sound. So touch wood to that.
Right. Also, the lovely photos which you posted after the shoot of the show was wrapped up were lovely, and your bonding does show in those photos.
I think yes, because it's not just, see, again, one of the main reasons why we love coming back to Dilli To Hai, and why people also love Dilli To Hai is because of our chemistries between ourselves. You know,
Right.
so there's me, there's Yogita, there's Gurpreet, there's Abu, there's Krishna, there's Shanaya, all these youngsters, and Vijay sir, and Rajeshwari ma'am, and Asmita. So all of us are also very, very good friends. you know. And most of the time, you know, it's we are a nightmare for the people to get us back on set or to get अरे serious हो जाओ. My art director is like अरे serious हो जाओ, एक shot दे दो, उसके बाद मस्ती कर लेना, उसके बाद ये सब कर लेना. So I think that really reflects, you know, if you're good friends with your with your co-star, or you know the guy who's playing your brother. So you know वो automatically आ जाता है, क्योंकि अगर आपने कुछ normal सा करना है और suddenly आप गले में हाथ डाल के कर लेते हो, तो वो उस you know it becomes very real. So I guess that really works.
Lovely. And when you posted those photos, you specially mentioned Ekta's name, and you mentioned that how she turned your dreams into reality. So how has she been instrumental in your career, in your growth as an actor?
I think you know why I had said that was you know I remember when I finished 10 years of mine in the industry. You know, Arushi, I never imagined कि one day I'll become an actor, or I wasn't even in Mumbai. You know, I was working in my IT firm, and you know, with my dad's business. And Ekta ma'am actually had seen me on Facebook, and that's how I actually got to Mumbai.
Okay.
And whenever I'm in a fix, you know, I you know get in touch with her कि मैम मैं क्या करूँ. You know, there's a guiding force that she is, and with the kind of experience that she has, it's you know it's been very instrumental for me. And I remember when I finished my 10 years in the industry, and I had messaged her particularly. I was like, I know you don't like emotional stuff, but today my parents are proud of me, and I really wanted to thank you for that, because एक you know parents को आपसे कुछ नहीं चाहिए होता है. You know, parents, your family doesn't want anything from you, but
Right.
the fact that they're proud of me, and you know they would have been proud of me otherwise as well. But I've done something which is completely different from what my my dad has been doing. So I thanked her for that. And you know इतना सब कुछ है हमारी इंडस्ट्री में. कुछ अच्छे लोग हैं, कुछ बुरे लोग हैं, कुछ you know आपको सही गाइड नहीं करते हैं, कुछ करते हैं. But Ekta ma'am and all the people, it's not just Ekta ma'am, all the other people also who are you know in the top people at Balaji, they've all always been very you know kind to me, and they've always directed me to the right direction. Even if I'm not doing a project for Balaji, they will tell me exactly अच्छा कर लेना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए. So I think that way I feel safer, you know, and I feel safer, and I feel कि मतलब there is somebody, you know, and it's a very important thing for an actor, for anybody, you know, जो अपने घर बार छोड़ के आप you know मुंबई जैसी जगह पर होते हैं, you know, to have nice people around you, it's very important.
Lovely. That's a lovely relationship between you two. Okay, so Karan, one thing that all your characters somewhere has that rich spoiled brat or some arrogant guy. So how come such characters just find your way to them? You like find their way to you. How does this
I
always
don't
happen?
know. I don't know. I think it's just been stuck with me from my first show, because you know the first show was playing a very rich, suave, you know, brat sort of a person, misogynist. You know, doesn't really love women. The second, you know, the show I was again playing a gangster. Somebody who's taken the law in his hands, but you know, again, very suave, very stylish. I think that's just got stuck to me. I think Ekta ma'am likes to put me in those kind of roles. Even for It Happened in Calcutta, it was a very, very again, It Happened in Calcutta that took the character to some other level only.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then I guess
I watched that show. I know where your character goes in that show.
yeah, and you know, again, even the films that I do, like Abhi, you know, I have two you know very nice films coming up this year, and उसमें भी मुझे वैसा ही कुछ type के you know characters मिलते हैं, although very very differently you know written and you know designed, but I guess मैंने एक आधा कोई शो किया होगा जिसमें मैं इतना अमीर नहीं था, तो you know शायद वो नहीं चले होंगे, तो उन्होंने बोला इसको अमीर ही रखो.
So better be in those rich roles only.
I guess so. Maybe I'm attracting the right kind of roles then. I mean, as long as I have these roles.
Definitely. Also, so now we have seen those character posters of Konkana and Bhumi from Dolly Kitty or Wo Chamakte Sitare.
Yes.
So now we know a little bit about their characters. We will definitely, and of course, your fans will definitely want to know something about your role in the film. If you can talk something about it.
I would just say that I am very, very, very sort of humbly proud to be a part of that film. If you've seen Lipstick Under My Burqa, you've seen Alankrita Srivastav's work, and
Right.
she's a very inspiring filmmaker. And this film, it's been produced by a woman, Ekta Kapoor. It's been directed by a woman, Alankrita Srivastav. It's
Right.
the main characters, Konkana Sen Sharma and Bhumi Pednekar. The main characters are women. It's I think it's an honor for me to be a part of this film. And I remember when the casting was going on, and Shruti Majan, she is again a woman, and she's a leading casting director here. She got in touch with me and she said, "Ye Alankrita ki film," and I was like, "What? I want to be a part of this film. Please, I want to be a part of this film." And the audition process was quite strict and quite heavy, but I'm glad that they thought that I'm worthy to be a part of such a film. And Dolly Kitty or Wo Chamakte Sitare is going to be a very, very special film. And I'm just very honored to be a part of that. And talking about my character, I think what I am playing in Dolly Kitty or Wo Chamakte Sitare is one of my most fun characters.
Oh, lovely.
And yeah, it's one of my most fun characters. It's going to be great, and I'm actually I don't know if अभी कितना हम उसके बारे में बात कर सकते हैं कितना नहीं, but I think एक दो दिनों में हमें, क्योंकि the first posts are out, Kunkana has posted something, Bhumi has posted something, so जैसे जैसे भी कुछ आगे बढ़ेगा तो पता चलेगा, but I think it's going to be a very exciting film.
Lovely, great. And does it affect you that the film is coming on Netflix and is not able to have a theatrical release? Does that bother you a bit?
Arushi, my entire career I've been on television. My biggest shows have been on web. My films have also done well. Yes, a lot of people think this way कि यार OTT पे आ गई है, but imagine the amount of reach you get, and these times with Dolly Kitty or वो चमकते सितारे, the kind of film it is, I don't think it matters कि आप उसको कहाँ पे डाल रहे हो. In fact, I think times have changed so much that it doesn't, the जैसे टाइम था ना जब बोलते थे कि आप टीवी कर रहे हो तो आपके लिए फिल्म्स बहुत दूर हैं, वो धीरे धीरे वो गैप खत्म हुआ. वही चीजें अभी हो रही हैं, the theatrical release, OTT release, I think it doesn't even matter anymore. आपने अच्छा content बनाया है, I think आपको उस हिसाब से उसकी reach मिल जाएगी, and it's more important to get your film out there. And
Right,
अगर मैम ने और अलंकृता ने ये चूज किया है कि it should go on Netflix, तो वो उन्होंने सोच समझ के ही चूज किया है, but I think it's for us, we're all very happy that it's going to be on an OTT platform, and it's going to get a great amount of reach. So fingers are crossed.
All the best for it. And lastly, I want to ask that you just mentioned that how your career has been on TV and on the web. So do you think that with the because now web is the main platform and there has been a growth in number of web series we are watching, so now all the actors are getting an equal opportunity to be in the industry and they're getting better roles? How do you think that web is a good thing happen to the actors?
I would see again, going back to what I just said, times are changing, and there was a huge parity between films and TV at a point, और बहुत ही कम लोगों ने उसको क्रॉस किया था, and it was very, very difficult. But जितना ज़्यादा प्लेटफॉर्म्स बढ़ते हैं उतनी ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलती हैं, और काफ़ी मुश्किल है. I've been around for almost 11 years now. I understand that it's not just about your hard work. It's also about how lucky you are, or how where are you placed in the industry. So definitely with the amount of more OTT platforms that are coming, and the and shows becoming more and more successful, it definitely directly means that more actors will get the opportunity. to showcase their talent and to prove that no, कि हम लोगों के अंदर भी कुछ है. It's not just all these people who think that they own the industry or that this is what film इन लोगों को films मिलेंगी आपको नहीं मिलेंगी. So the truth is in front of you. So I mean the opportunities are there. Web is becoming more and more important, and so many great actors with their great performances are coming out, and it's amazing for all of us.
Yeah, definitely. And what do you think that this outsider-insider debate going around about the industry, do you think it has been blown out of the proportion, or do you think that somewhere that differentiation remains in the industry?
See, again, in some context, maybe बहुत ज़्यादा उसको discuss किया जा रहा है, but at the end of the day, आरुषि, ये कोई झूठ तो है नहीं. Everybody knows कि disparity है. You are a part of the entertainment industry, you are a journalist yourself. आपको भी मालूम है कितने auditions किए जाते हैं, क्या क्या किया जाता है, कितने लोग अच्छे होते हैं, फिर एक phone call आता है, फिर या किसी का pressure आ जाता है. So definitely things have changed. When the people have जो involve हुए हैं, people मतलब हमारी पूरी जो country involve हुई है इसके बारे में बात करने के लिए, I think a lot of changes will happen. In fact, I know of some web shows that are being made right now जहाँ पर डायरेक्टर्स ने और प्रोड्यूसर्स ने बहुत ही कॉन्शियसली ये डिसीजन लिया है कि वो बड़े स्टार्स के साथ काम नहीं करेंगे, वो लोग नई कास्टिंग करेंगे, और अगर उनको कोई बोलता है, प्रेशराइज करता है कि आप उनको लो या आप उनको लो, या किसी का फोन आता है तो वो नहीं सुनेंगे. ये चेंज मैंने पहले कभी नहीं सुना था. एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग. नहीं तो लोग कहाँ जाएंगे? वही आप कहाँ से आते हैं, आप अपने सपने लेके आते हैं, और आप आपके ऊपर हंसा जाता है कि आप क्या सोच के आ गए हो यहाँ पर. ये एंड अगेन व्हेन आई से दैट जो कुछ भी हो रहा है उसका वो जब छांटते हैं ना, वो जब सब छांट लेंगे, जब ये सेटल डाउन होगा ना, the industry is going to be a better place. At least I hope like that.
Right. I think everybody hopes that it becomes a better place for everyone who wants to be a part of it.
Well, definitely.
Right. So, Karan, last parting message you would like to give to all your fans who are waiting for the show eagerly, and I see some messages where they are waiting for the season 4 already.
First of all, thank you so much for making Dili To Hai into what it's become and surprising all of us. And we're sorry for the delay, but you will not be disappointed. We assure from the entire team of Dili To Hai, I assure you that. और अगर आपको सीजन 4 चाहिए तो आप जानते हैं कि आपको कहाँ जाना है. ऑल्ट बालाजी है, एकता मैम है, और हमारे डायरेक्टर हैं, हमारे क्रिएटर्स हैं, आप उनको बोलिए जाके. But no matter what happens, no matter what we are doing, where we are doing, if it's for Dili To Hai, we will definitely, all of us, come back.
Lovely. That was a lovely message for all your fans, and thank you so much for taking out time and talking to us.
Thank you so much, Arushi, for having me.
We want to have you again with us when your film Dolly Kitty or wo Chamakte Sitare is out. So looking forward to all of your future projects.
Thank you so much. That's very sweet of you. Thank you so much, and thank you for having me.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, guys, that was Karan Kundra, who talked about his upcoming episodes of Dil Hi To Hai. He also talked a little bit about Dolly Kitty or Wo Chamakte Sitare, which is Alankrita Srivastav's next movie, which will soon be releasing on Netflix. He also mentioned a bit about the outsider-insider debate, which has taken over Bollywood. So, if you are a fan and if you have watched his show Dil Hi To Hai's previous seasons, do stay tuned and watch his show on September 19th. It will start streaming on Alt Balaji. And for all the further updates about the entertainment world, stay tuned to Indian Express Entertainment. Thank you and see you again soon.